Let's see what we've got here. Update the page and just in 1 minute, we already got 824 followers and we keep getting new with incredible speed. Hello guys! If you've been looking for a special website that will help you to increase your Instagram followers, then I want to congratulate you. This video is for you because in this video I will show you how to gain 1000 real followers using a special website in just 3 minutes. This is my Instagram account. I have no followers here now. If you watch this video attentively and follow my steps in 3 minutes, you will have 1000 followers just like me. Well, let's get started. We'll start by opening any browser. I'll probably open Google Chrome and let's now here in a Google search type a secret phrase Smmbase. Click search and now open the first page. Great! We've opened the #1 SMM panel in the world where we get non-stop real followers, likes, comments and views with a guarantee. Let me tell you a bit more about this website. Let's scroll down below and we gotta see here that we can increase the audience here and get a targeted audience. New customers, increase activity, go to the top if necessary, get 24-hour support where they will answer any of our questions. Why is this the best SMM panel? Well, firstly, because it is about live promotion, very fast setup and complete security for our Instagram account. We can scroll down a bit and read feedbacks. If we have any questions, we can find answers below. And here we can find out how to become popular here, how safe it is, and so on. Well, there are contacts below. We can just call this service and make an order by phone or get answers to all of our questions. Also, if necessary, we can click the chat button here and talk to a manager and get an answer to any of our questions. Well, let me now open a special page here. To do that, I click Menu, choose here Instagram and choose here Followers. Now we have this beautiful page where we can get Instagram followers in just 2 clicks. Well, let me start by signing up for this service. To do this, click Menu and click Sign Up. Now we need to enter our mail here. The sign up takes just 20 seconds. I enter my email and create a password now and click Sign Up. Great, we have our account now. Let's open the Instagram page. As you can see, there are lots of different social networks here besides Instagram, including YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and so on. We need Instagram now. Click here and then click Followers, and as you can see, there are different services we can order here. And as you can see, there are very low prices here. 3 cents per 1 standard follower. Good quality, 100% with pictures and posts. Most of them are from USA with guarantee. Speed is 20,000 subscribers a day. There's also a service with real followers. That's about active users who will like our posts and leave comments, watch videos. Also a VIP. Just accounts of promoted cool bloggers, and also there are fake ones. Just fake accounts of quantity. Let me now show you how it works choosing standard followers. The cost of this service is only 3 cents per follower. I click the Get button here and now we just need to paste the link to our Instagram account here. You can also use your username, but I'm putting the link right now. To get the link, we open Instagram, click Menu, click the QR code, click Share, click Copy. Now we go back to Smmbase and just paste the link to our Instagram account here. Then we choose the number of followers. You can choose from 5,000 to 50,000. I'll just choose 1,000 followers to show you how this service works. This will be enough. Let's click Pay now. We can see that our order is created but not paid because we have to add funds. Click Add Funds. And now we have a secure payment system fast spring opened. Here we can pay with a card, PayPal or use other ways. if we have any problems, we can get our money back in a few clicks at any time. Now, I'll rewind the video and get back to show you what to do next, not to make you wait. Great! Guys, our payment has been successfully completed. Let's go to the menu now and open our account, and let's open my orders now and check our order. Great! As we can see, our order is active. Let's open Instagram now and see what we have here. Update the page and we can see that in just 1 minute we already got 824 followers and we keep getting new. Super! Update the page again. We have 1000 followers, guys. As you can see, it works great. We literally got 1000 followers in a minute. The link to Smmbase service will be in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. You can use it. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If it was useful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. In the next videos, I will show you how to get likes, comments and views on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.